everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to prolong the life of your AC, the air conditioning unit. By doing few simple things, you can maintain yourself. I will share the things I do it to prolong the life of my ACs. As you can see, I have 3 AC units in my house. One AC is right here, the second one is here, the third one is here. As I have shared you previously, how you can cover it by using a satellite dish, which we don't use anymore. Those are obsolete dishes and they really work well. As you can see, I have a lot of plants. I have a lot of big trees around my property. If you have that scenario that you have a trees, you are surrounded with the trees, then a lot of leaves fall during the fall time. Then your AC becomes really messy. It's all filled up with the leaves. By you doing small things like covering up, it protects it. And now the summer is started. We are in middle of May, and it's still the temperature is 90 degrees and some days 92. Now the time to start using our ACs as the weather going to reach 200 degrees. Let me show you. I will close in what I have done it. So as you can see, this AC I covered with this metal. This one really don't need any cover. This way what happens, the leaves don't goes inside the fan. And now if we look at the second one, as you can see, this is the second one, and this is the satellite dish. It protects the AC. And the third one is the same thing. These are the big satellite dishes, as you seen previously. I posted a video how to use these obsolete dishes. These are perfect dishes to cover your AC during the fall time. And if we take a look, I will show you if we close in. If you see inside, there is still a lot of leaves. These leaves fall during the summertime. So I'm going to open these screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to lift up and we're going to scoop up all the leaves. These leaves are already there during the summertime when we are running, because even though leaves are not falling at this time, but some leaves fall, they do go inside. If I don't cover these ACs with these satellite dishes, then this will be full with the leaves. You've seen it, there are some leaves which are during the operational time, they are keep falling, keep accumulating, and I'm going to clean it. It's always advisable whenever you work with electrical, you have some kind of knowledge. Or if you're watching those YouTube videos, it's very important that you turn off the power breaker in the front of the house. If you have the power breakers like I have the ACs units right here, if we take a look, these 2 each, one for this one and one for this one. If we take a look, so basically you pull this one out. You can put it outside. On the second one, you pull this one out, and this is on and this is off. You can put it back in. The best thing, you just put it outside. And now we need a flathead screwdriver. So I'm going to remove 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws. So we remove these small screws. Just grab with your finger, just like this. And the plastic pipe, it will slide out. Like this. We don't have to take it out, anything. If you have a second person, that is really good. You can ask him to hold it like this. There are so many leaves. See? There are a lot of leaves. We can scoop out. As you can see, these are all leaves. All the big leaves, you can take it out and then you can use your workshop vacuum. There are 3 full scoops. This is what you need to do. You scoop out all the leaves. And now I'm going to use the vacuum. So as you can see, it's pretty much clean. And this is all you need to do. And now you bring this one back and just we're going to align it. So make sure that the pipe goes inside and you drop it. Align these holes and we're going to put the screws in. We're going to put these 4 screws back. First hand tied, then we're going to use the screwdriver. Make sure it's nicely tightened. So you've seen it. It's very easy to maintain your air conditioning, and now the summer season, this is all clean. And once the summer is over, make a use of those satellite dishes. Cover it. So now I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to open these 4 screws and vacuum inside. This one really don't need anything. This one is protected. I will provide the link up here. You can check it out, the video, that how to give a makeover. You can paint your grill and paint it on the top, and it's going to look nicer. As a DIYer, I always share things with you, and I have 2 videos made on AC where your blower motor is running inside your attic and your compressor does not kick on. That is very simple to fix it. The second video, how to replace the capacitor if it's gone bad. And those 2 DIY videos, you can fix it yourself by a small amount of money, and you can save tons of money by calling an electrician to your house and fixing those issues. So please stay tuned, and I will post those videos, and you will like them. That's how it's easy and simple. You can prolong the life of your AC by doing simple things. Once you are all done, then make sure to go back on your power breaker and put that fuse back. And that's it. And if you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.